Hi again, guys. I just got caught off in my last video, but I wanted to finish up with talking to you about the rustic style, which you may have seen on HGTV. Joanna Gaines is very famous for this style. So in this photo, you can see a lot of the natural elements, the natural patina of the wood that's kind of aged over time, open beams that aren't painted. It's a very inviting style, unassuming, and I do see it a lot in the Pacific Northwest. I think it's pretty popular here. In the background, I don't know if you can see, but like wood slatted walls. So after going through all those styles, I would love to hear what your favorite style is. As you can see, once you pick out the mood that you're wishing to convey in your space, then you can go into the style. Maybe looking around in your home now, you can start to identify some of the different style furnitures that you have, or maybe you are really drawn to one style and you've collected pieces that all fit together really well. But wherever you're at in your style journey, I would love to be able to get to know you, hear about it, and assist you even more. In my 4 Weeks to Fabulous program, I am going to be delving into what is your style, how you can incorporate maybe 2 to 3 different styles if you are more on eclectic taste, and where to go to find those styles, characteristics to look for in each of your furniture pieces to make sure that you really do create harmony in your space and your space exudes the mood that you're hoping to get from it. So I would love to invite you to check out my questionnaire at my website that can start to help you think about your edit or room redesign, and has more, just it does have more descriptions about different styles, so you can start thinking about that. And I'd love you to leave a comment about what your favorite style is, or what style you think you've been using in your space, or what you've been drawn to in the past. But yeah, thanks so much for watching again today, and I hope to see and talk to all of you soon.